Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate your objects, elements or text on Adobe Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in express.adobe.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Adobe Express website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can start working on any of your projects. Now within your project, if you would like to animate any element, then in order to do this, you will first need to select that element. If you don't see the animation option within the left side, you can also click on animation at the top section. From here you will find various different animations that you can use for this element. If you simply hover over each design, you will be able to see the preview as well. After choosing your preferred design, it will be applied to your element right away. You can do this with all of your layers, and once you are satisfied, you can simply proceed forward with finalizing your edit, and your animations will be added to your elements right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add animations to your objects on Adobe Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.